Hey guys, Justin Vallow here from K40 Electronics. I wanted to show a really cool feature to you of our new Platinum series of radar detectors, something we're calling auto filter. So basically what this does is gives you more sensitivity to your radar system at higher speeds and gives you less sensitivity at lower speeds when you're just tooling around town. So I'd like to show you how to change that feature with the button on the top of our unit here, filter by pressing and releasing.
Highway.
So highway is going to be the most sensitive system for you. That's going to give you the full range of all of the radar signals that might be out there. So you're going to be able to pick up a radar signal from the furthest distance away.
City.
City is going to give you about 20% less sensitivity. That will actually give you a little more range when you're tooling around the surface streets, but maybe not the full range that you'd see on the highway.
Filter.
Filter is going to dumb it down all the way to the lowest setting possible so that when you're just tooling around town, you're not picking up officers from 2 miles away. The last feature, however, is auto filter.
Auto.
Auto filter will actually go through those 3 different settings for you depending on how fast you're traveling. So from 0 to 45 miles an hour, you will be in our filter setting. From 45 to 55 miles per hour, you will be in our city setting. And over 55 will automatically go into the highway setting, giving you the most sensitivity possible. I've been using this in my system and I really have enjoyed the moderate sensitivity that I get at lower speeds and the extreme range that I see at higher speeds. If you found this information helpful, please stay tuned for additional information about K40 and the Platinum 100. Thank you so much and have a great day.